In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the BCC field in Outlook. BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy, is a simple but powerful way to send an email to multiple people while keeping their addresses private. It's great for announcements, newsletters, or any message where recipients don't all know each other. Used thoughtfully, it helps reduce reply all chains and protects everyone's inbox and privacy. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, create a new message by selecting New Email. This opens a fresh Compose window where you'll set up the message just like you normally would. At the top of this new message window, look for the ribbon, which is the toolbar with tabs across the top. Click the Options tab to see additional settings for your message. This tab includes controls for things like tracking, encryption, and the fields that are visible in your Compose window. Within Options, find the section labeled Show Fields. In that section, click BCC. The moment you click it, a new BCC line will appear in the header of your message directly beneath the CC line. This setting is a toggle, so clicking it again will hide the BCC line. In many versions of Outlook, once you turn it on, Outlook remembers your choice and shows BCC by default in future messages, which is handy if you use it often. From here, you can type addresses into the BCC field just like you would in To or CC. Everyone on BCC will receive the email, but their addresses won't be visible to anyone else. People listed in To and CC will not see who has BCC'd, and BCC recipients typically can reply to you directly without triggering reply all to the entire group, which helps keep conversations focused. A few quick best practices can make BCC work for you. Use BCC when sending to large groups or mixed contacts to respect privacy. Choose CC instead when you want transparency and visibility among recipients. Avoid using BCC to secretly loop in colleagues on sensitive internal threads. If you need to share context, consider forwarding the message after you send. If your Outlook layout looks a little different, don't worry. The location may vary slightly by version, but the process is the same. Open a new email, go to Options, and enable BCC in the Show Fields area. That's it. Open Outlook, start a new message, head to Options, and turn on BCC. The field appears below CC, ready whenever you need a more discreet recipient list. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to add the BCC field in Outlook.